Hi everyone, it's Cecilia here from Lordhair, and I'm here to introduce one of our newest products. Here I have hair system Q6M, and it's very light, breathable, and super easy to attach and clean. And here is why. Basically, we have this base which is composed by two different materials. The first one, it's here in the top and front, and it's French lace. So very light and super breathable thanks to these little holes that it has here. What makes it very easy to attach and clean is the sides and back, which are in a very thin skin material. But what we are all looking for is, of course, the front hairline. So here, what makes it very natural looking is the knots. As you can see here in the front hairline, the knots have been bleached. So it gives to the whole hair system a very natural look. Some other info about this hair system is the base is available in different sizes, so 6x8, 6x9, 7x9, 7x10 and 8x10 inches, and the hair density in this hair piece is medium instead of medium light. What we always suggest to men who want to buy a hair piece, we suggest medium light hair density because it's the most common. But if you're looking for more hair, this is definitely the piece for you. This is all for now from Lordhair. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like this hair system very much, you can look it up on our website www.lordhair.com, and now it's on sale actually. We guarantee a 30-day money back. Moreover, we have immediate shipment for this piece in stock. If you need any further information, you can contact our client support service by emailing support@lordhair.com. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.